residential suburban, which is pretty much every parcel out there, in the permanent ordinance for marijuana and cultivation, it's pretty much going to be banned in residential suburban in SLO County. I don't know.
Okay, let me ask you something. I'm going to ask you something.
What you need to do is either start building an RV or building a house. You can add a temporary trailer in there. You can keep that in. If you don't want to build a house, you would need a primary use, which is something like that.
Okay, so the medical cannabis gardens out there that don't have houses on, what is everybody else doing? In lieu of not having a trailer, instead of paying
most of them are saying
yeah.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. This is a racket.
No, what it is, it's organized crime. I'm
If
saying in the hotel.
it's got space.
Could you please supply me with
Sure.
your DUNS number and a completed W-9 tax
I
form?
have no idea what that is.
Well, ask your supervisor, please.
Sure, yeah, that'd be great. I can come out.
So I just have a quick question.
Yeah, for sure. And what was your name again?
Brandon.
Brandon? Okay.
So anyways, you said there has to be like a progression of construction for this home. What would you guys consider a progression, say, for a one-time?
No, we ain't paying no permit on. It's our land.
So basically, if you go with a mobile home, it is about $8,500 to start that process. But if you came in and you guys started an application, and I could check the system and show, yep, they pay the fees, they're good.
How about if I give you a
You can add a temporary trailer permit on there and just keep the RV out there while you're building. So for us, it's those things where if growers out there are actively working with us. I had another grower here. He didn't have anything. He started his permit for a mobile home. And coming in, getting his inspections called out there. And so once April 3rd passes, we're not going to go out there. You don't have a permit for a mobile home. You can't have that. Yeah, you're working through the process. I get it. But so I would not recommend doing it right away. I would say get the permit process first. But if you get your permit issued and you say, okay, now we're going to bring our mobile home out, you're working the process. Bring it on. You've got a well out there, so you need a well first if you're going to get a permit. Yeah. So if you're going to go out, you need a well. You need power to the property. It sounds like you guys are getting power. And then you would just need your last bit of that public use would be to get a permanent residence. But that's what we would consider principally is a house. And in California Valley, there's a ton of vacant parcels, and so that's what kind of started happening.
There's a ton of abandoned parcels out there too, huh?
Yeah, a ton of abandoned parcels, and people are getting ripped off, and I understand that people are having a real issue with getting out there to watch their product, which is kind of the gamble. Once the county was aware of the situation, the urgency ordinance came out, that was the gamble. Whenever I speak to people, I say, we're going to be out there, we have our land use ordinance and these regulations. It's that cost-benefit analysis. So if people really wanted to do it, they would put a house out there. And then I say, come next year, September or so, when the permanent ordinance gets pushed out.
You have your application for adverse possession?
That they're not being able to grow in the actual towns in the outer regions where it's not.
Yeah, so in a sense,
outside city.
Well, okay, so yeah, each parcel out there, the land use zone is residential suburban. So let's say you go down to Oceano and you're on like Front Street. Most of those houses are zoned residential single family or residential multifamily. So with the zoning, there's like 2 or 3 lots out there that are not residential suburban. It's like the solar farm. With the permanent ordinance, basically, when it gets in effect, they are saying no cannabis cultivation residential suburban. So what a lot of people are doing,
try to shut the whole thing down next year.
Yeah, they're going to try to shut it all down.
So what they're doing is basically, for me at least, on my level, is saying, hey, you guys are a different story. You got your well out there. You're trying to get power out there. If you would have spoken to me beforehand, I would have said, it's that cost-benefit analysis.
I got the orange.
Right.
We got a provisionally.
Right. So then, that's basically what this is saying is, if you clear the lot and you've got your fence, you got your water tank, you got your grow out there. That's one.
I can bring my trailer back out there though, right? Like I can bring it out there where you can say no, but I really can.
So yeah, so if you cleared the lot, and we go out there after April 3rd, right? We go by, and I go, there's a fence, he's got his grow is screened, he's got his water tank, there's no other accessory storage, it's just like a small tool shed to manage the grow, you'd get approved. If you brought that trailer back out there, if we were in the area again and we saw it on the property, we'd have to open up a new code case, because then it would still be a trailer on there without principal use.
Yeah.
And I'm not too sure, and I can check to
Let
see
me
if
ask
my
this question. How many people have you dealt with that are approaching the land out there as a means to retain it as sovereign land? Do you know anything about sovereign land patents and how that works?
not with the
We're not
patents.
talking, we're not talking Waco, Texas. We're talking if somebody came in with, if somebody was in the seat, if somebody was in the status
Right.
to not be a part of the American government, but they were actually, like you were referring to, the American State National, and they were a secure party, and statutes and corporate laws.
They don't apply to us.
If they didn't apply to the individual, he can prove that. You know what I'm saying? And he's in partnership by way of contract or affidavit with the current landowner of that land. Could not that landowner sign over and make an agreement with that sovereign entity?
And you guys own the land, though, right?
Yeah, he paid for the land, and I did a contract with him
Yeah.
because I've got a prescription,
Right.
right? And
I'm just trying to wrap my head around the
well, look,
patent.
the patent is,
I say that because that's the approach we're trying to come
Yeah,
to.
the patent is the highest ownership of land that there is.
Yeah.
Okay, now look, I understand you guys as CAFR, right?
Yeah.
Okay, everything that's registered with you is hypothecated towards the national debt. Okay, it's listed in the CAFR as either a deposit or a donation or whatever. And if you know how to look it up, you can look everything from court cases or everything else up.
Right.
Okay? Any permit or anything else is the same thing.
So
Okay?
it comes down to.
So what it comes down
patent on
to
the
is
land.
you guys claim an interest in the land because it's been registered with you. And
It's within the county.
it's been registered within the county, but you guys register it with the Secretary of State. Okay? What we do is we come in after we file our stuff, and we go and register it on a UCC3 amendment into our original trust and our original security agreement, right? Which gives it to us. We have a private registration of the land with the Secretary of State. We didn't come through you guys. So you guys have no interest in that land anymore.
Okay.
It's taken off the...
Yeah, and I'm just waiting so I can get a break together. Right.
See if you can grab somebody else and we can run these UCC1s by.
Yeah, and it sounds like it wouldn't apply, but it wouldn't hurt to at least talk to him.
Well, I mean, you can't say it wouldn't apply because it goes all the way back to California ownership.
Right.
And then...
Before I go back to keep it there, I'll just clear so you don't get he's going to say the same thing, at least for this aspect. So, since you are we would either clear the lot, or you can get a house on the lot, and then you're good to go there. So, let me go see if you
What constitutes like as construction of a home? Foundation, framing it up?
Yeah, and for us, basically having a permit in, and so if that's what
But none of that's going to happen without a permit.
right, and so that's where you're...
Okay, what if I give you a promissory note for the $8,500?
So, I'm not sure that's through accounting, but...
Well, I mean, look, promissory note under Public Law 7310 is money.
Yeah.
Okay, it's no different than anything else. I'm a secure party creditor. I've got the money of account. I'll give you a promissory note for the permit.
Yeah. Well, let me check.
Now go look up tender of payment law, because when I tender you this payment and you refuse it, it's discharged. So I mean, I just want to notice you that ahead of time.
Yeah, and let's cover bases here first. Talk to us first. Yeah, no worries.
American Land Title Association, I think it's a professional organization.
You're going to have to sit down just so we don't have to have these verbal things back and forth and trying to prove a point to someone who doesn't even care about it.
I've got everything with me, Holmes. Here's the tender of payment law. I just told him.
Sit down. It's not his job to learn all that stuff. Well, he's not going to sit here and entertain that.
No, but see, once I give him notice, I have to give them notice. I'm giving them notice. Okay?
What I'm
I just told him about the tender of payment law. I just offered him a promissory note.
They have land patent specialists and stuff like that in the area. You sit down and really get the nitty gritty of like
Okay.
operating.
Okay, bro. I'm just saying. All right, let's do it. Oh, there's going to be recourse. No, I'm trying to get.
Because that's all he knows. That's what he's been taught.
I'm trying to get it on tape.
They don't know any of that, bro. They don't understand any of that. So you're going to sit here for an hour trying to show
No,
them
I'm
stuff.
just going to get their stupidity on tape, and then I'm going to put it on YouTube, and then I'm going to bitch about it in paperwork.
And what good is that going to do for the land?
Real good, Holmes. Real good.
Have at it, bro. Have at it.
You know me, bro. I'm having at it.
I'm knowing you better and better, bro. I already know how you're going to get better. You know what I'm saying?
They can't tell me that I can't own land, or he can't own land. Free and clear. He paid his money.
What I'm saying is, don't waste your time asking a grocer for scrap metal, bro.
No, I just want to get their look. I just want to get their tax number and their DUNS number to show they're a corporation. Yeah, they have to by law. If they don't, it's a crime, and I'll report them to IRS. No, there's surveillance in your land, Holmes.
That was on the,
Well, that's because
last month, the 15th of February.
it's not illegal to fucking photograph people, so.
No, but they don't like it if we go photograph their shit.
She's not here, but
Okay, but hey, would you look at this?
so I'll tell you right now.
Well, I just want you to notice that.
Help. I wouldn't be able to help you with this.
Well, no, that's just I just offered you a promissory note, right?
Yeah, and
Okay,
I'm
so
not,
if I-
don't accept payment, I'm a code enforcement
No, I'm
officer.
just saying though.
So what I'll have you do is I'll
Yes.
have you get in touch with my supervisor, and another thing I would encourage is you can talk to the board supervisor, Debbie Arnold. You're in her
Do you guys
district.
have her phone number?
Where's she at?
I don't have her phone number yet.
Where's her office at? Do you know?
She's right across the street, the new government center.
Okay.
And let's see if we can get her number.
That's where we're going.
So, secondly,
Debbie Arnold?
yeah, Debbie Arnold is your board supervisor for that district.
Okay.
And then what I just leave off on is I just enforce.
Can I leave this with you, and is there any way that we can pick that up later? That's
don't
required
think-
by law.
I don't know what
A W-9,
I don't know what this would give you in terms of
what it gives you,
property, but I'll
no,
make
what it
my
gives
job.
me is it gives me your EIN number and DUNS number, which shows that you're a corporation under the Clearfield Doctrine.
Yeah,
Okay?
sure.
Yeah.
I'll give that to my supervisor, and then you can give him a call.
All right. Thank you.
And then on the other part of that, good luck on.
Yeah, I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And
Yeah, not a problem. I mean,
We know how San Luis County is.
yeah.
It's real factual stuff.
Thanks for your time, man.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, so good luck on that, and then I'll leave this on his desk and let him know kind of what's going on. Feel free to give him
okay.
a call.
Hey, do you have any forms for adverse possession? No. All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you.